What's going on, guys? It's Taylor from Phastek Performance. Today we're going to increase our interior styling by installing some Footwell lighting in our 2010 to 15 Camaro. So what colors do we offer, you might ask? We offer a variety of colors to suit your style. Today we're going to be installing the white kit in our Camaro. Now this install is simple. We will need a test light, wire crimpers, a 7mm socket, and about 30 minutes of your time. For this install, we are going to be wiring the lights so they function with the door, so anytime you open or close the door, the lights will fade on or off. We can start out by going under the dash where we will locate the flat panel in which we will mount the light strip. Using the provided tape, we can stick the strip to the dash and feed the wires through the dash to the passenger side to supply power. We can mount the passenger light in a similar fashion using provided tape and zip ties. We can remove the side panel cover and locate the main wiring harness. In this harness, there will be two gray wires. Using a test light, we can find the correct one needed for the dome light switch. This will be the one we use to connect our lights with. Once the correct wire is selected, we can use the included wire tap to connect to the gray wire. Then we can join our red wires from the light strips, crimp them together, and make the connection to our wire tap. Then we can connect the black wires from the light strips, crimp them using the provided eyelet terminal, and use the ground bolt on the dash support and install it to the factory location. You can reinstall the passenger dash panel and test the lights with the factory switch to make sure they fade on and off with the dome light. There you have it, guys. Not only did we just increase the styling inside our 5th Gen, but we also increased the visibility while getting in and out of our Camaro in dark scenarios. So thanks for watching. If you'd like any more information about this product, check out the link in the description below. Also, be sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already.